Core system libraries failing because of the Interface Definition Language Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. While we explore the technical guide for Interface Definition Language Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Interface Definition Language Library. This library manages the Interface Definition Language (IDL) routines for the Windows OS. It is used to define the communication protocols between different software modules and COM objects. If this file is missing, the system will fail to register new software components, leading to object not found errors in the Windows Registry. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Interface Definition Language Library DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Interface Definition Language Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. A quick warning, many sites offering Interface Definition Language Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. A maintenance path for Interface Definition Language Library and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Interface Definition Language Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.